it's Anya from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making apricot chocolate hummus. Now this is actually a viewer request from one of my viewers on YouTube, and I'm super excited to be making this for you because being a savoury girl, this is not something I would normally create, but I'm really excited to be making this today. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using my food processor. First ingredient going in is a can of drained chickpeas. And remember, you can print this recipe off my website at cookingwithplants.com. Next, I'm adding in 5 dates and 8 apricots. So these have been soaked with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, just to soften them a bit. They don't need to soak too long, just while you're measuring out your ingredients and getting everything ready, that's fine. Next, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 4 tablespoons of cacao powder, 1/4 cup of plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk, but you can use any plant-based milk that you like. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt. The salt flavour will actually bring out the sweetness of this dish, so make sure you add a little bit of that in just to combine all those flavours beautifully. And it's ready to blend up. Once this has been processing for about 30 seconds, just give it a bit of a scrape down and then process again. Okay, so this has been processing for about 1 minute and it's nice and soft and fluffy and almost mousse-like, so ready for a taste test. Yum. This is definitely something I would never have thought of. So thank you very much for the recommendation and the request from one of the YouTube followers. If you also want a recipe that you'd like me to create, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Yum, this is so delicious. Soft and fluffy, yum. Give it a try. Remember, you can print the recipe off my website at cookingwithplants.com, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.